Welcome back, Chipsters, to another beautiful day. We got some sunshine here in Michigan. It's looking just gorgeous out. Today I will be doing a little video on this saw here we have. It's pretty much comparable to a 372 Husqvarna. No heated handle grips. Pretty much, I probably could have cut all this wood with this behind me. But seeing that I have the Barco here, it's just got a heated cab. Therefore, I just did it with that. But I do have a little bit of trimming to do. And I thought I'd show you this saw a little bit. You can see how it performs yourself. Haven't cut a lot with it. Just some ice. Doing some ice fishing. Cut a little bit there. But this thing rips. It's pretty much like a ported and polished, probably. They just didn't put the stickers on it. Hey, it's a little secret that you might not know about. But anyways, we got a little bit of wood to trim. Let's get at it with the, oh man, this thing's gonna rip. Oh, good. boys, girls, ladies, and gentlemen, the old Milwaukee XP can pretty much just do anything. From cutting ice, to steel, to logs, to trimming. There ain't anything this thing can't do. I mean, it can do anything you want it to do. I mean, it's incredible. It's an incredible saw. No, in all seriousness, which this video's been all serious anyway, so I don't know why I just said that. But this saw is pretty nice. The main goal is to have it for ice fishing and stuff like that. Hunting maybe. And I can do some stuff like that where it's easier to take this than something else. It works good. That being said, I don't know anything about battery saws. And that being said, I don't know anything about normal chainsaws either, because I don't use anything like that. So take it for whatever you want. From somebody who don't know anything about logging or cutting down trees, it is what it is. Anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed. Oh, and by the way, this ain't a sponsored video. Milwaukee didn't give me this. I had to buy this. Bought it myself. For you know, whatever. Milwaukee's not giving nothing to me. Therefore, I don't have to make a video saying how awesome they are. But it is pretty handy. And I went with Milwaukee because they make some pretty decent tools. It's no joke. But anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As you can tell, nobody was hurt in this video. Everybody's safe. We have all the proper equipment on, and we do everything. I mean, you know. What more is there to say? I mean, a chainsaw video, you can't go wrong with that. Thanks for watching, and as always, just keep rolling. Just like I said, pretty much the same saw, size comparison. I mean, same size, got the same torque specs, same horsepower. The only difference is you got to mix that one 40 to 1. You know, so the other one's actually better because you don't have to mix gas for it. It does everything this could do plus more. And actually, here's the kicker. I'm not putting any bar and chain oil in the thing. So you don't have to have any of that stuff. Still get the same performance, the same torque, the same power. I mean, it's got, you know, it's not a skip tooth. It's running solid, hard, just ripping through the timber. Like I said, size comparison, exactly the same.